Pinkfong. Nemo. Pinkfong. Nemo. Pinkfong. This is 911. What's your emergency?
Please help! There's a fire in our town!
Come on, team! Get ready to dispatch! Yeah! Let's go! Oh! Let's go!
Oh no! We really need to put the fire out right away!
But hold on! What do we need in order to put out the fire? Veil, veil, what do you see? You have to guess. What can it be? I see something that's super long! Something that's long? Is it a snake? A rope? No, 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 no. Take another guess. No, 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 no. Take another guess. It's something that sprays a lot of water, and you can use it to put out a fire. Wanna try again? Is it a hose? Yes, 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 yes. You got it right. Yes, 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 yes. You got it right.
Yay! Awesome work, everyone!
Woohoo!
You put the fire out! Thank you so much for helping, friends!
Thank you for reporting to us!
Help me!
Oh?
Huh? Did you hear that? I think someone needs our help. Let's go! Help me! Huh? Where is that coming from? I'm up here! Oh, how did you get all the way up there?
Pinkfong, Baby Shark, can you help me find something to reach up there?
Okay! Veil, veil, what do you see? You have to guess. What can it be? I see something that's super long. Hey, I already said that, Baby Shark. I said that last time. It's not a hose. It's something different. And is it a shovel? Ah, a giraffe. No, 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 no. Take another guess. No, 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 no. Take another guess. It's something that's going to help us get up really high. Want to try again? Is it a ladder? Yes, 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 yes. You got it right. Yes, 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 yes. You got it right.
Excellent job, friends!
Thank you so much. Being up there was really scary. Well, you're safe now. I need some help over here, too. Where? Where? Aha! There you are.
Oh no! The turtle is stuck in between the fallen tree! Let's see if we can find anything to help us!
Veil, veil, what do you see? You have to guess. What can it be? I see something that's really sharp and pointy. Sharp and pointy? Is it scissors? Oh no, it's a knife. No, 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 no. Take another guess. No, 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 no. Take another guess. It's something you can use to help you take down a tree. Wanna try again? Is it an axe? Yes, 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 yes. You got it
Finally, I can breathe.
So glad you're okay, Turtle.
You can call us anytime, whenever you need our help.
Thank you.
Hey guys, did you like our video? Don't forget to click subscribe. Search for Pinkfong on YouTube.